This is Blueberry Beat. I'm AJ, and this is my Aunt Treat. Hey Treat, what does half a blueberry look like?
Less than a hole. Half of a hole.
The other half.
The other half. Oh, I almost had it.
Yeah, you were really close, actually. I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was a good one, though.
Which one,
It's fun to me.
speaking of silly dilly things, no, what do we got today, Treat?
Oh my gosh, so I had a chuck roast in my freezer, so I thought, and I felt like Asian. I thought, so I made like a soy, ginger, blueberry chuck roast.
Wow.
And it's very, very good. I was really impressed with a lot of scallions was the trick.
Mm-hmm.
So I used blueberry concentrate here, and it was unbelievable. You don't have to use a lot to get, some taste, some flavor out of it. So that was very good. And then I have
A little goes a long way.
a little does go a long way.
Correct.
And, it has so many antioxidants and things like that.
Right.
People drink this. They take a spoon and just drink it for their healthy thing. And
Well,
it's
side
really,
note,
really
I
good.
actually, when I worked at the bagel place, I tried to bring natural blueberry flavors to the bagels, and that's
that was
what
it?
I used a lot of.
It's really tasty. It's
That's
not
pretty neat
strong
little
like you would think as a concentrate.
Mm-hmm.
So I also have a coleslaw made out of collard greens
Oh, fun.
and red cabbage
Oh, okay, cool. Very
with
cool.
dried blueberries in it, and then a vinaigrette. Our vinaigrette.
What
and
did
a
you sauce it with? Yes, I was gonna say that doesn't look like
vinaigrette with a little bit of mayo.
Mayo, that's what it
Mayo.
was. Yep,
Just
because
to
I see
keep it
the.
creamy.
Yep, sure.
You
That's
know,
what I'm
and
seeing in there.
You use half of what you normally would use because the vinaigrette is such a liquid type
Right.
of thing, so it holds up good. But anyway, I was going to put these on little slider buns.
Fun.
So yeah, I thought it'd be kind of cute. So what I have here is the chuck roast with the scallions, and it's very juicy.
You just had it in your slow cooker?
I cooked it in my slow cooker.
Nice.
And it was so nice, and I thought, man, what's that smell? Later on in the day, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's supper.
That's right, I
So I was
surprised myself.
very excited. So,
cool.
so like I said, this one here has a lot of juice in it.
This would be a nice little appetizer too, or a tapas maybe, something like that.
Exactly.
Some neat little.
And you don't have to put it on a bun, but I loved it on the bun.
Oh, okay, sure.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that looks great. Who doesn't like a little bit of right?
And then our toppings. Now, do you care for pickled things or rather not?
Oh, absolutely. I'm
You do?
all for
Kimchi?
pickled big kimchi's. Absolutely,
Wow.
yeah. That's on trend right now, Treat.
Oh.
I'm actually trying to see what it's gonna look like when we pickle some blueberries.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Now this is I'm gonna put this on the side because this is a little strong. It's
Yeah, and I
daikon
hate
radish.
onion. Is it? Oh no, that's it's
Daikon
daikon.
radish
Oh,
and,
nice.
carrots.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I
Very
did
cool.
a pickle.
Yeah, you're
And,
right.
then
Those are
I have green onions. I won't put that on yours
perfect. Yeah,
because I know you don't care for onions. But
not so much.
then if you want a little bit more juice, we can add
Yeah,
that.
just a little bit on the rough on the side. Sure. And now, do you put this on there as well? Sometimes some
You
people
sure
would.
can.
Yeah, sometimes some
Um,
people would.
I thought if the kimchi wasn't on there, I would, but
Right.
that's
Sure, balance. Well,
it
I mean,
definitely is a side. Good
right.
side.
Well, just for taste sake, I think what I'll do is I'm gonna
Go for
add it and then take a bite of it all
I
together.
love it.
So.
Tell me what it is.
All right, I got one of the cute. And look at all the fun colors in this. I mean,
Now the
you
cow-
can't get it.
Well, that is true too, and that's what
So
I
many
really
different
enjoyed
things.
about the collard salad.
Yeah,
It's
so
very
cool.
sturdy. It's a sturdy green,
Mm-hmm.
and it holds up well. I don't know why I've never eaten it before, unless it was like cooked to the bone. Just really how they do southern greens.
Mm-hmm.
don't even know what it is.
Yeah. Yep.
But those are good too. Don't get me wrong.
I just like the idea of, you're cooking and you're doing things with blueberry. Try to get a little bit of a purple, blue, something out of
I
it
see.
somewhere, to
Yeah.
represent.
Not too hard to do. They are very blue.
I'm going to take a bite then, and I
Okay.
will let you know. Mmm. Right. Wow.
It's unique. I'll tell you that. It
It
is
really
very,
is,
very
like, you wouldn't expect that, because it is
All
very
over crock pot.
Asian, like, season driven. And you're biting into a hamburger. It seems like.
good. Yeah.
What a mix.
Yeah.
That's something
But anyway, that's it.
That's delicious.
Oh, good.
That's really fun, and that would be fun, you know, for anyone who wants to try to explore a little bit.
Yeah.
So, cool.
You're right.
Well, I really appreciate this really great spread, and for Blueberry Beat, I'm AJ, this is Treat. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks.